Snidbits, a little bit of something. Milwaukee Packout is a company that specializes in all manner of tool storage, specifically their rolling totes. Just in time for Father's Day, they've dropped the price on these fancy rolling totes to $300 a piece. You have a choice between a longer, larger rolling tote or a more compact 3-drawer option. Milwaukee Packout also offers an array of coordinating totes that all interlock with your initial rolling tote. If you're like me and have a dad who has every tool known to man but a garage that looks like a bomb went off, these are the perfect Father's Day gift. Basically, the love child between a Rubbermaid tote and a granny cart, Milwaukee Packout boasts the ability to interlock the lids of all of your totes to whatever configuration you need. Not only will Dad find this handy for bringing all of his tools to your place to fix all the things that you need done, it will also give him boyhood nostalgia with the Lego-like interlocking tops. Reviews on Amazon and Home Depot cite 5 stars. Great gift for Dad. Absolutely great buy. And has been in and out of their trucks 6 days a week on the job site with no problems. 2-star reviews cite leaking lids, the lid was broken, or the lid just sucks. Spam! The processed ambiguous pork product everyone loves to hate, but is eaten when they were broke. Coming out of the Great Depression, Hormel Foods introduced Spam in 1937 as an option when meat was both scarce and very expensive. Shelf-stable and full of calories and fat, Spam soon became a staple for soldiers fighting in World War II. It was about this time that Spam was introduced to Hawaii, where it quickly became a cultural staple. Spam musubi. Hormel's aggressive marketing campaigns ensured that Spam would infiltrate the kitchens and clog the arteries of 1940s and 50s America, and still to this day. As versatile as it is heart attack fodder, Hormel Corporation published various cookbooks demonstrating frugal, delicious meals that you could make with Spam. I'm pretty sure your grandma had a favorite Spam recipe. Spam casserole, Spam tacos, Spam sandwiches. The possibilities are endless, and you can still feed a family of 6 on 1 can of Spam for $5 to $6. What exactly is Spam made of, though? Ingredients listed are pork, salt, starch, water, sugar, gelling agent, and various preservatives, including sodium nitrite. Online sources state that pork shoulder and ham are the pork sources used in Spam, not the lips, tips, and assholes my auntie always believed. For today's last snidbit, I'm going to leave you with the dulcet tones of adorable koala bears.